Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, a place where you can learn Indonesian language from the very basic with BIPA. Today, we're going to talk about the pronunciation tips, how to pronounce the words with the sound IA and UA perfectly. In the end of this lesson, you are expected to have a better pronunciation on these sounds. So, are you ready? Let's get started. When I was teaching my students from different culture background, I found that they made mistakes in pronouncing the sounds IA and UA. I fully understand this and I think other people will understand it too. However, when you've been learning the language for quite a long time and you still make a mistake, then it's time for you to make it right. I mean, it's time for you to have a better and perfect pronunciations, right? In Indonesian spoken language, the IA sound is always pronounced as ia instead of ia. And for the UA sound, we pronounced it as ua instead of ua. Please have a look at the following examples. First, I will show you the words with the IA sounds. First, we have siapa. Siapa, or in English, who. This we pronounce as siapa instead of siapa. Next, we have biasa. Biasa, or in English, ordinary, regular, usual. This we pronounce biasa instead of biasa. And then we have biar, or in English, let. We pronounce it as biar instead of biar. The last one, we have kalian. Kalian, or in English, you in plural form. We pronounce it as kalian. Kalian instead of kalian. So, we don't say siapa, biasa, biar, or kalian, because the correct pronunciation must be siapa, biasa, biar, and kalian. Now, let's see the words with the UA sound. First, we have uang. Uang, or in English, money. We say uang instead of uang. Okay? Uang instead of uang. Next, we have luang. Luang, or in English, vacant, spare, or free. We say luang, luang instead of luang. Next, we have jual. Jual, or in English, sell, to sell. Jual, we say jual instead of jual. The last one, we have buat. Buat, or in English, make or do as a verb. For as a preposition, and in order to as a conjunction. We say buat, buat instead of buat. We have many words consist of the IA and UA sounds in Indonesian language. So, by knowing the correct pronunciations of these sounds, we have made an effort to speak better and to pronounce the words even better. Okay, here's what we have learned today. The IA sound is pronounced as ia instead of ia. For the UA sound, we pronounce it as ua instead of ua. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy watching my video and learn something from this lesson. If you find this video useful, please do share with the others. And if you have any questions, don't be hesitate. Write down your questions in the comment sections down below. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next lesson.